People power.
People power. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Free Lumbuye.
Free Lumbuye.
Free Lumbuye.
Free Lumbuye.
Free Lumbuye.
Free Lumbuye.
All right, comrades.
Yes.
I want to thank you so much for sacrificing your time to come and stand in solidarity with our comrade, Kajubi Lumbuye. We all know that the only crime Kajubi Lumbuye committed was to speak his mind freely and publicly.
Yes.
But we know freedom of speech is a fundamental human right.
Yeah.
Nobody can silence us.
Yes.
Fred is entitled to say whatever he wants.
I know, yes. He's independent.
So, despite Yoweri Kaguta Museveni has to be tolerant to diversity of opinion.
Yes.
Criticizing politicians is part of freedom of speech.
Yes.
We cannot be silenced anymore.
Yes.
So we call upon the Turkish consulate here in Boston
Yes.
to send our message
Yes.
to the president of Turkey,
Yes.
Erdogan,
Yes.
that we are demanding for the immediate release of our comrade Kajubi Lumbuye.
Yes.
Museveni bribed the Turkish government
Yes. Mafia government.
to kidnap our comrade.
Yes. And they think they can come and
So
kidnap
we
us
are going
now.
to hold the government of Turkey accountable.
Accountable. Yes.
Because Lumbuye was in Turkey legally.
Yes.
So his life matters.
Yes.
We have to remind the president of Turkey,
Yes.
do not abuse the international human rights law.
Yes.
Uganda has no extradition treaty with Turkey.
Yes.
Extraditing Lumbuye means you are sentencing him to death.
Yes.
Museveni will kill him.
Yes.
Yet his life matters.
Yes.
Now we are all here not because of what Lumbuye says.
Yes.
Some of us may disagree with some of the things he said,
Yes.
but because we believe in freedom of speech. So we are fighting for him because he's a Ugandan like us.
Yes.
An attack on Lumbuye,
Attack on all of us.
all Ugandans in diaspora.
Yes.
That has to be very clear.
Yes.
Museveni does not want Ugandans in diaspora to speak up.
Yes. You want
But
to
the
make us
time has
yes.
come, we are telling
And
him
we have to stand up and
we shall not be silenced.
Exactly.
Our contribution, listen guys,
Yes.
Ugandans in diaspora, we contribute about 5% to the GDP of Uganda. So our voices matter. The remittances. Come here. Let's one by one. So guys, I was saying, the remittances of Ugandans in diaspora are so high.
Yes.
So it's a contribution of about 5% to the GDP.
Yes.
So silencing us,
And poisoning us in diaspora is not acceptable.
our lives matter.
Our life matters.
In
Yes.
Ugandan.
They give them back to
So wherever you're in diaspora, you're still a Ugandan.
Now our man,
Wherever you're in Turkey, you're still a Ugandan.
yes.
Alright guys? So the law is very clear.
Yes.
Museveni
Don't go
wants
to
to
Turkey.
use fear of speech to replace it with freedom of speech.
Yes. That's our
But we
freedom of
shall not
speech.
allow.
No, they won't come and go.
Because guys, guys, today, democracy is moving online. But we are also seeing dictators like Museveni coming online to silence us. That has to stop.
Yes.
Alright guys, so I want to thank you so much for coming here and stand in solidarity with Fred Lumbuye. Because if you keep silent, they are coming for you.
Exactly.
So we don't know what time they are coming for us.
I
That's
know they
why
can come
this
in,
was
and I'm
great
telling
here.
you, there's a church that's going to
They came for Lumbuye.
come here.
Tomorrow they are coming for you. But we don't know who's next. It's a matter of time. So guys, let's have one voice. Let's get united and demand for the release of our comrade Fred Lumbuye. We remind the Minister of Foreign Affairs in Uganda, JJ
I know, I
Odo,
have the proof.
and his deputy, Okello Oliem, respect the international law on extradition.
Yes.
You cannot extradite a Ugandan
Yes.
who ran away from Uganda
Yes.
because you want to persecute him.
Yes.
So, deporting Lumbuye to Uganda
Yes. You'll be killed.
means you're violating the international law.
Yes.
That has to stop.
Yes.
We want a free Uganda
Yes.
that respects the international law.
Yes.
We want a free Uganda
Yes.
that has good governance.
Yes.
We want a free Uganda
Yes.
that has freedom.
Yes.
A Uganda
Yes.
with liberty.
Yes.
A Uganda
Yes.
with justice.
Yes.
A Uganda
Yes.
is for all of us.
Yes.
Not a Uganda for a few.
A few, and we're gonna
The 1% in Uganda
private investigators
cannot silence us anymore. Once we unite, we shall defeat despot Museveni and his tribal dynasty. So comrades who are here, mainly the women, you give us the morale to always stand up for our country. Thank you so much, the women who are here.
Yes.
Revolution with
Mutukubye akakulu abakyala mutukubye akakulu. Bannaye women be basinzeewo abakyala be basinze leero.
It's not a matter of numbers,
Yes.
but it's a matter of time
Lwekyo twekisussa
to defeat the autocrat Museveni. So
badde
guys,
ngamba etho
Wherever you
muyise
are.
lwekyo.
keep using the hashtag
Lwekyo etho twekisussa.
Free Fred Lumbuye.
Free Fred Lumbuye.
Use hashtags.
Yes.
Stop Lumbuye extradition.
Yes.
Use
Twitter,
hashtags.
everything. Twitter.
Taka,
Yes.
do not deport Lumbuye.
My friends don't go to Turkey. They
Because
kill
Lumbuye's
people, they
life
kidnap
matters.
people. Turkey is a mafia government.
Our
My sister, don't go.
People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
So Article 29 of our Constitution is very clear.
In Uganda,
It shields
Okay.
our right to speak freely.
your mind.
So Museveni and his, junta cannot silence us.
Yes.
It is time to rise up against this junta.
Yes. And you're going to give
Uganda is for all of us.
CIA.
Not for a
Let's
few.
forget about them. Yes.
We want a system that respects human rights. The government does not give you the right to speak. You are born with the right to speak.
Yes, we have
Don't be silenced. Many Ugandans who are in democracies like USA, use your privilege
Yes.
to demand for the justice
Yes.
of those who are oppressed in Uganda. Don't be silenced, guys. And one. And nobody is going to defeat us. In the end, the people always win. All dictators have been falling one by one. And the time for Museveni is coming. He is soon collapsing. Because everything is working in our advantage.
Yes.
So Museveni's time is coming to an end.
It's up. Yes.
Museveni is a coward.
Museveni is a thief.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni has, abused our rights every day.
Yes.
But we cannot allow him to curtail our rights anymore.
Yes.
We are here in USA,
Yes.
where we have the First Amendment
Yes.
that gives us the
Hey,
power.
hi guys, don't go to Turkey.
protest.
Turkey kidnap
So
people.
Ugandans, wherever you are,
They kidnap people.
protesting.
Yes.
keep setting the tree.
Yes.
Change is coming.
Yes.
It's on our side.
Yes.
Freedom is coming.
Freedom is coming.
All the youth who are in Uganda,
Yes.
let's use our numbers
Yes.
and unite against this autocrat.
Yes.
Change is coming.
Change is coming.
Ugandans in diaspora,
Yes.
you're playing an imperative role
Yes.
in this revolution.
Yes.
Don't be silenced
Yes.
by some detractors.
Yes.
They think we have no say,
Yes.
but our speech is protected in the Constitution of Uganda.
Yes.
So, comrades,
Yes.
I thank you so much
Yes.
for sacrificing your time,
Yes.
your resources,
Yes.
to come and sign solidarity
Yes.
with Comrade Fred Kajubi Lumbuye.
Yes.
We are sure Fred is part of us.
Yes.
We are sure Fred, wherever he is strong, and we believe he will be a free man very soon. So we call upon Ugandans to boycott
Yes. All
any
businesses of
products
Turkey.
or any businesses.
Of Turkey.
From Turkey. We are sick and tired of countries that curtail on our rights. And as I said, freedom of speech is born with us. Nobody can give us the freedom of speech.
Amen.
Not even Museveni.
No.
Museveni is not above criticism. We can criticize him all the time as we want. Anytime. Whether you're young, whether you're a youth, whether you're a child, whether you're an ordinary person in Uganda, you have the right to criticize Museveni and his junta. So guys, I believe that when we are here, we are not wasting time. We might be in small numbers.
That's right.
But our message is loud and clear.
Exactly.
The consulate of Turkey here in Boston.
Yeah.
Remind them
Yes.
to tell their president,
That's right.
dictator Erdogan,
Yes.
to release our comrade Fred Lumbuye now.
Yes. No.
It is either now
On
or
now.
now.
On now.
Not anymore.
On now.
We demand
We demand.
yes, for the release of Lumbuye alive,
Yes.
not dead. If Lumbuye dies in the hands of Turkey, we are going to sue.
Yes. The government of
The
Turkey.
government of Turkey.
They have to pay for that.
There have to be repercussions. Anybody who has violated the international law has to pay the price. It is time for Turkey to cleanse its name by freeing Fred Kajubi Lumbuye. Because his right to speech matters, just like all of us here.
Yes.
So comrades, again I remind us, let's keep resilient. Because autocrats like Museveni fear resilient people like us.
Yes.
And our numbers here, they tell me that very soon we are going to overcome. Let's keep our eyes on the prize.
Yes.
Because I believe
Yes.
that in the end we shall get liberated. The captivity that we are in today
Yes.
is going to end any time from now.
Yes.
So the junta in Uganda
Yes.
remind you that we are coming back to fix the mess in our country, Uganda. There is no more time and no place for tyranny in Uganda. Oppressor Museveni has to go. The time has come, and we are saying arrest Museveni.
Museveni must go.
Museveni must go. Museveni must go.
So we have to remind the International Criminal Court.
Yes.
We have a war criminal in Uganda.
Yes.
He has abused our rights every day.
Yes.
He has killed our parents.
Yes.
He has killed our relatives.
Yes.
He has killed our neighbors.
Yes.
He has killed our friends. And the time to pay is coming. We have to hold him
Don't go
accountable.
to Turkey.
Because accountability matters.
That's why we demonstrate.
Freedom of speech is part of democracy. And Museveni has to respect that. If he doesn't, let him go. We want liberty in our country, Uganda. We are all Fred Kajubi Lumbuye. Because any time from now, they are going to arrest you. Any time from now, they are going to incarcerate you. We know what is happening in Masaka. Ugandans are being killed in Masaka.
Yes, every day.
And we are saying the lives of the Ugandans in Masaka matter.
Ugandan matter.
Museveni has to account for those Ugandans in Masaka.
Yes.
We want answers, not excuses.
Yes.
The Minister of Internal Affairs, who is he? General Muhoozi. No, Internal Affairs. Internal Affairs, Security. So, David Muhoozi,
Yes.
we want answers.
Yes.
give us the names of those who are killing innocent Ugandans.
Yes. Because they go to Sudan.
Otherwise, the genocide
yes.
is starting in Sudan.
Yes.
So comrades, let's keep demanding for those who are killing our countrymen and women in Uganda, get their families justice. So thank you so much, comrades. People power!
Our power!
Our power!
People power! Our power!
Our power!
People power!
Stop another Khashoggi Taki!
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 Don't go to Taki!
Don't go to Taki!
Taki is not safe!
Taki is not safe!
Don't go to Taki!
Don't go to Taki!
Taki is not safe!
Taki is not safe!
Don't go to Taki!
Don't go to Taki!
No more Turkish Airlines!
No more Turkish Airlines!
No more Turkish Airlines!
No more Turkish